Do you want to know how to talk to men in a way that makes them fall in love with you? It's no secret that men and women communicate differently. For many years, women have been trying to understand what makes men tick, with little success. Most women don't know how to talk to men in a way that makes them feel deeply attracted to them. But the good news is, you don't have to be a mind reader to figure out how guys really want you to talk to them. In this video, we are going to show you the psychology behind how men think and how men really want you to talk to them. Just make sure to use this information wisely and don't use it to manipulate or control anyone. Instead, use it to create deeper connection, intimacy, and understanding between you and the man you want. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get started. How most men think when they first talk to a woman. It doesn't matter if you are talking to him over text, in person, or on the phone. When a man first starts talking to a woman, he will subconsciously start judging her based on her looks, body language, and the way she talks. I know, many guys will not like the idea that we are exposing this dark side of male psychology, but men are visual creatures, and they can't help but judge women based on their looks. This is deeply rooted in male biology and how males are wired. When a man sees a beautiful woman, his first instinct is to make love to her. This is a thing that happens subconsciously. Now, this doesn't mean that all men are only interested in women for their looks, but the physical attraction is definitely there from the start. That's why your first step is to make sure you look your best when you talk to him, especially for the first time. With that said, here's how to talk to men in a way that will make them feel attracted to you. Number 1. Show him you are not an easy catch. Have you ever wondered why some guys quickly lose interest in a girl after sleeping with her on the first date? In most cases, it's because he feels like he can't conquer her. She was too easy to catch, and now he is bored. If you want to make sure a guy stays interested in you, you need to be challenging. We are not telling you to play games or to be someone you are not, but you do need to let him know that you are not an easy catch. For example, when he first asks you out, don't say yes right away. Instead, say something like, "Let me check my schedule," or "I'm not sure if I'm free that day." It's also a good idea to make him work for your attention. When he texts you, don't reply right away. Give it some time before you reply. This will make him wonder if you are busy or if you're not interested in him. Either way, he will start to feel more attracted to you because you are a challenge. Number 2. Make him feel good about himself. Let's say you are talking to a guy and he tells you that he just got a promotion at work. Most women would say something like, "Congratulations," or "I'm happy for you." But if you want to make him feel really good about himself, you need to go one step further. For example, you can say, "Congratulations, you must be the best man for the job." Or you could say, "I knew you were going to get the promotion. You're just so good at what you do." This will make him feel proud of himself, and he will start to associate those good feelings with you. Number 3. Show your confidence. Many of you already know that men are attracted to confident women. But how do you show confidence when you talk to him? Well, if you meet him in person, make sure your body language is confident. Stand up straight, look him in the eyes, and smile. For the complete checklist, check out the link in the description after watching this video. We are giving it away for free only to our loyal subscribers. And if you talk to him over text or on the phone, make sure your tone of voice is confident. Avoid sounding clingy, needy, or desperate. Instead, sound relaxed and happy. Number 4. Show that you don't need him. You need to be careful with this one because you don't want to come across as uninterested or apathetic. But if you show him that you don't need him, it will only make him want you more. For example, when he asks you out for a date, don't jump at the chance right away. Instead, say something like, "I'm not sure. I might have something else going on." Or when he asks you to do something with him, don't say yes right away. Instead, say something like, "I'll think about it," or "I'm not sure if I'm up for it." This will make him feel like you are a busy and in-demand woman, which will only increase his attraction to you. The fact that you are not desperate for his attention will make you even more attractive in his eyes. Number 5. Make him feel masculine. From the beginning of time, men have been the hunters and the providers. It's in their nature to feel like they need to protect and take care of the women in their lives. So if you want to make a guy feel deeply attracted to you, you need to make him feel like he can be that man for you. For example, when you are talking to him, you can say something like, "I feel safe when I'm with you." You can also ask for his help or advice on something. This will make him feel needed and appreciated, which will only increase his attraction to you. For those who are interested, I'll put a link in the description about how to trigger a man's hero instinct and make him yours. This is something that all women should know about, because it's one of the most powerful things you can do to make a man feel a deep, long-lasting attraction towards you. Number 6. Compliment his intelligence. Sincere compliments are always a great way to make someone feel good about themselves. But there is one type of compliment that is sure to make a guy feel attracted to you, and that is a compliment on his intelligence. For example, you can say something like, "You're a smart man," or "I like how you always know what to say." This will not only make him feel good about himself, but it will also make him see you as a smart and capable woman. And there is nothing more attractive to a man than a woman who is smart and capable. Number 7. Make him trust you. This is a tough one because it takes time to build trust, and men are known for bottling up their feelings. But if you can make him trust you, it will only make him want you more. There are a few ways to build trust with someone. The first is by being honest with them. This means that you should always tell them the truth, even if it's something that they might not want to hear. The second is by being reliable. This means that you should always keep your promises and follow through on your commitments. And the third is by letting them know that you are non-judgmental. This means that you should accept them for who they are, even if they have flaws or shortcomings. Doing these things will not only make him trust you, but it will also make him see you as a woman who is worthy of his trust. Number 8. Get his opinion on things that matter to you. This is related to the previous point about trust. If you want to make him feel like he can trust you, then you need to get his opinion on things that matter to you. For example, if you are considering getting a new job, you can ask him what he thinks about it. Or if you are considering moving to a new city, you can ask him for his opinion on that as well. Getting his opinion on things will show him that you respect and value his opinion, which will only make him trust and value you more. It's important to remember that you should only get his opinion on things that actually matter to you. If you start asking him for his opinion on every little thing, it will just come across as needy and clingy. Final thoughts. Using these 8 tips will help you make most men feel deeply attracted to you. Just remember that every guy is different, so you might need to experiment a bit to find out what works best for him. And most importantly, do not try to be someone you're not. Use these psychological tips to communicate your true self in a way that will make him want you even more. Do not use them to trick or manipulate him in any way. Now, you need to watch the video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you the 14 phrases that make a guy instantly fall for you. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts and opinions with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.